Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to customize your home screen in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's just look at how to customize the home screen. This right here is the home screen, and as you can see, there are lots of things right here. I want to customize it. At the top right, you will see a button like this that is like a color palette. Just click on it. From here, you can customize your home screen as you wish. Simply toggle on or off these buttons of your choice, and once everything is okay, simply hit on save. That's at the top right. And guys, that's it. That's how we customize your home screen in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.